Welcome to the first in a series of videos we at Daytona are producing to help you with your karting technique, allowing you to beat your friends and compete at the top level of karting. Although this video is aimed at karting beginners, we recommend drivers of all levels give it a watch, as you may still learn a thing or two. I'm Dante, Daytona's in-house tutor. I've won some karting titles and some lap records, and I'm going to be walking you through these tips and tricks. One of the first things you can do to improve your racing technique is to know the racing line. This is the fastest way around the circuit. Many people just assume this is the shortest route or tightest line. However, the racing line is a combination of that of the shortest path and that of least resistance. Generally, a corner is comprised of 3 points: the corner entry, the apex and the corner exit. The racing line is the optimum path to hit all 3 of these points with the highest average speed. Almost all tracks will have this detailed out at their venue or on their website for you to study beforehand. Being smooth in your driving is one of the most important aspects of maximising your results. It applies to all your inputs: steering, accelerating and braking. Steering smoothly will help you maximise your momentum through corners. For the majority of corners at any given circuit, you will want to avoid excessively sliding, as this will lose you mid-corner and exit speed. Being smooth with the inputs on the pedals will help you with your precision and consistency. This will stop you from locking up the brakes going into a corner and spinning, or pressing down the throttle too early and spinning coming out of the corner. As you approach a corner, you want to get all your braking done in a straight line. Because your tyres have only so much grip, braking and cornering at the same time will overload them. This means you won't slow down as much during your braking and you won't be able to corner properly. Additionally to this, turning and braking heavily at the same time is the easiest way of locking up your wheels and causing a spin. When approaching another driver, it is important to be patient when passing and not dive bombing on the first opportunity. Making contact will more often than not lose you time compared to waiting for a better passing opportunity. Even worse, it could cause a penalty, especially if I'm in race control. Analyse the driver in front of you, see where their weaknesses are and expose them on the next opportunity. Remember, your presence is already causing pressure, so they're sure to make a mistake sooner or later. Be a sponge for information, speak to other drivers or even other staff at the circuit. Watch other people's racing online or focus on drivers that pass you in your session, follow them, learn something. Here at Daytona, we offer Viewpoints, which allows you to capture your recordings from your session. This means you can analyse them when you're at home to help you improve for next time. Thank you for watching this tips and tricks video. Keep an eye out for our next one, which is aimed at slightly more experienced drivers. Good luck for your future sessions.